Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Property Manager KPIs in AppFolio, full guide step by step clearly. To install Property Manager KPIs in AppFolio, start by logging into your AppFolio account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Reports section in the main menu. Click on Custom Reports. In Custom Reports, select Add New Report to create a new report. Choose the type of data you wish to track for your KPIs, such as leasing, maintenance, or financial metrics. After selecting your data type, click Next to configure the report settings. Customize the report fields according to the KPIs you want to measure. Make sure to include essential metrics like occupancy rates, rent collection rates, and maintenance response times. Once your fields are configured, click Save to store your new report. Next, return to the Reports section and click on your newly created report to view it. Review the report layout and make adjustments as needed. If everything looks good, share the report with relevant team members. To do this, click on the Share button and enter the email addresses of your team. Set appropriate permissions to control who can view or edit the report. After sharing, monitor the KPIs regularly to ensure your property management strategies are effective. Make updates to your KPIs and report configurations as your management needs evolve. With these steps, you will have successfully installed Property Manager KPIs in AppFolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.